Every year, manufacturers and asset-intensive organizations lose millions to MRO spend leakage. Duplicate spare parts ordered under different names. Incorrect items sitting in stock. The right part nowhere to be found when a machine goes down. The root cause is dirty MRO data. Inconsistent descriptions, missing classifications, no standard taxonomy, parts duplicated across systems, and with manual cleansing, it takes months, and it never stays clean. Introducing MDO iMRO for SAP, the AI-powered MRO, cataloging and cleansing solution that combines artificial intelligence with human expertise to standardize, deduplicate, enrich, and govern your spare parts data inside SAP automatically. Enter a basic part number, and Kai does the rest. MDO. Kai auto-classifies based on UNSPSC and other standards, extracts part numbers, and enriches with manufacturer and supplier data pulled directly from the web. What used to take days of manual cataloging now takes seconds. MDO iMRO gives you one view of all your MRO data, purchase orders, open stock, duplicate flags, spend analysis, and inventory optimization, all in one place. And when new parts come in, they're correctly cataloged from the start. No future duplicates, no future leakage. MDO iMRO supports your full governance workflow, from basic part requests using Kai, through to deep integrated MRO governance, involving reliability engineers, catalogers, procurement agents, and maintenance managers. Every step tracked, every approval audited. Better MRO data means better sourcing, better planning, better maintenance. MDO iMRO integrates with SAP S/4HANA, SAP IBP, and your procurement environment. So clean, governed MRO data flows across your entire supply chain, reducing cost, reducing risk, reducing downtime. MDO iMRO for SAP, AI-powered MRO, cleansing and cataloging. Fewer duplicates, less spend leakage, less downtime. Request a demo today